May bagong aktibidad na naman ng mga Chinese vessels sa loob ng ating EEZ. Isa lang yan sa inaasahang tatalakayin sa 2025 Dialogue on ASEAN Maritime Security. Narito ang agenda report ni Andrea Salve.
Tatlong China Coast Guard research vessel ang namataan ng Philippine Coast Guard sa loob ng Exclusive Economic Zone ng Pilipinas sa nakalipas na 3 linggo. Ang dalawa nasa loob pa rin ng EEZ hanggang ngayon, partikular na sa mga katubigan ng Rizal, Palawan at Burgos, Ilocos Norte. Ang isa naman nakabalik na umano sa China kanina. Pare-pareho ang mga itong may kakayahang magsagawa ng deep sea survey.
The Chinese government cannot deny that what they're doing there is actually scientific research. Probably the Chinese government can also reason that it is purely for scientific and civilian use, but there are also reports that the scientific findings of this research vessel is also being forwarded to the PLA Navy.
Giit ng PCG, labag sa international laws ang ginagawa ng China. Gaya ng mga naunang engkwentro, dinaan din nila ito sa radio challenges.
Coast Guard aircraft also challenged these Chinese research vessels, and as what we always expect, they never responded to our radio challenges. We can just speculate about the real intent of the Chinese government, why they're sending these Chinese research vessels. But one thing is clear, they're violating our exclusive economic zone.
Kasabay nito, simula bukas hanggang sa Biyernes ay magtitipon-tipon ang maritime security at foreign policy experts sa Southeast Asia para talakayin ang mga hakbang na maaaring pagtulungan sa pagpapaigting ng rules-based maritime order sa South China Sea.
The goal here is to generate data-driven recommendations. Transparency is not just exposing bad behavior at sea, but also exposing the true sources of threats, of tensions, of marine environmental destruction, of all of these things that we need cooperation to address.
Malinaw ang layunin ng 2025 Dialogue on ASEAN Maritime Security at yan ay ang panatilihin ang estabilidad sa rehiyon. Para sa agenda, Andrea Salve, Billionaire News Channel.